Hello there. Some very unsettled weather on the way as we head throughout Sunday night and into Monday. Storm Debi has been named by Met Air and the Irish Weather Service, but impacts are also possible across some areas of the UK as well. It's all due to the jet stream that's currently powering its way across the Atlantic and is going to help spin up this area of low pressure, bringing some very heavy rain for parts of Northern Ireland, eastern Scotland, but also this wave of strong winds and severe gales through the Irish Sea into parts of northwest England as we head into Monday. A very blustery day here and across the Pennines. Also very windy for areas of southern England and Wales, although the wind's not quite as strong as what we will see on the direct southern flank of that low pressure for northern areas of England. The wind's just a touch lighter for areas of western Scotland, but it's more going to be the rain impacts that we see here. Some flooding is possible in places, and particularly where we do have those strong winds, there's potential for flying debris and large waves around as well. So do take care over the next 24-36 hours. For the daytime on Sunday at least, we've got this area of rain that's currently across parts of Northern Ireland, stretching into northern England, outbreaks of rain still across areas of Wales as well. That is steadily progressing its way northwards. The northern areas of Scotland seeing some of the best sunshine today, but also it will be turning brighter for areas of southwest England as well. And here we might squeeze up to 13-14 degrees Celsius, but where you're stuck underneath that persistent cloud and rain, it will be feeling a lot cooler, more around 8 or 9 degrees Celsius. As we head into the evening, this band of rain will continue to steadily progress its way northwards, eventually pushing into more areas of Scotland. But eyes to the southwest, this is Storm Debi that will be arriving, spreading very heavy rain into parts of England, Wales, and then eventually Northern Ireland, where it will turn persistent throughout the second half of the night, with again some flooding possible. Those gales then developing through the Irish Sea to provide a very windy period as we head towards dawn on Monday. With all the rain and the clouds and the wind strengthening as well, it will be a much milder night for most of us. Tonight's temperatures holding up around 7 to 9 degrees Celsius, but a touch of frost is still possible across the very far north of Scotland in some sheltered areas where you do just hold on to some slightly clearer spells and again those slightly lighter winds. Monday will then start off on a widely unsettled period. A very disruptive morning rush hour is certainly possible. Heavy rain across Northern Ireland spreading its way into northern England. That area, severe gales, potential for 80-mile-an-hour gust of winds around parts of northwest England, 60 to 65 mile an hour for parts of the Pennines and other areas of inland areas. The rain then pushes its way into eastern Scotland. This is where it turns persistent here, and 30 to 50 millimetres of rain could fall over the course of the day, turning fairly damp and dreary. For parts of Northern Ireland, then into central southern areas of England and Wales, it will turn brighter into the afternoon, and temperatures will be again around 15 to 16 degrees Celsius. So we are feeding in some slightly milder air here, but still fairly blustery here, even if you don't see the strongest of the wind, so that might just take the edge off things a touch more. But certainly for Scotland, it will be feeling cooler, and northern areas of England as well underneath all that cloud and rain. 10 degrees Celsius likely as the maximum temperatures here. So we head into the evening. Storm Debi will slowly clear its way off, eventually moving its way into the North Sea. The rain gradually easing off eventually. Some clearer spells for parts of England and Wales, but we'll start to see those showers pushing in across Northern Ireland, western areas of Wales and England later on into the evening. Some of those could be heavy, and it is likely to remain unsettled throughout the rest of the week as well. Wet and windy conditions certainly on the cards. So do stay up to date with the forecast. Subscribe to us here on YouTube for all the latest updates, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.